Do you like sweets but are trying to stay healthy? Hi, I'm Dr. Joe and this is your 1% Better tip of the day. So, if you've been part of our office, if you've done the 14-day reboot, then you know the term lateral shift. If you don't know what that term means, what that term means is you're not taking completely sweets out of your diet. What you're doing is you're just making a lateral shift, finding a healthy alternative for your diet. For example, when I go to a grocery store, I look at the ingredient list and I see what it's sweetened with. So if I pick up a bag of candies, I look at if it's sweetened with corn syrup, brown sugar, high fructose corn syrup, cane sugar, and I find a healthy alternative like stevia, monk fruit, or erythritol. So if I'm craving chocolates, I like to go for this brand called Lily's. And Lily's you can find at Whole Foods and is a very healthy alternative from other kind of chocolate candies out there. And if I'm craving any kind of gummy, what I like to go for is Smart Sweet. And for ice cream, my go-to is Halo Top. And so those three brands that I just named, those are sweetened with either stevia, monk fruit, or erythritol. And I look for those because what it does for your body is it helps your insulin level to stay leveled. And other kind of sweeteners, what they do for insulin level is it goes up and down, and you definitely don't want that because you're always going to be constantly craving sweets. So next time you're going grocery shopping, look for one of those ingredients, stevia, monk fruit, or erythritol, and you'll find a healthy alternative for your diet. And I'll see you guys next time.